this is how to dredge chicken properly. You usually can use a 3-step method where you start with flour, egg, and breadcrumbs. So that's the order that you'll dip your chicken. Into the flour, you'll dip it directly into the egg and then into the breadcrumbs. The flour allows the egg to really stick to the chicken, so when you put it into the breadcrumb mixture, those breadcrumbs can stick to the egg. If you just start with chicken into egg, it'll slip right off and there'll be nothing for your breadcrumbs to stick to. Sometimes I like to simplify it and do a 2-step method where I'm making a little batter with an egg and flour mixture. You can add any flavorings you'd like, spices, mustard, and then dipping it into the breadcrumbs, and that also gives you that same nice thick coating on chicken that you're looking for. The key with dredging too is you can apply this to all kinds of proteins and even vegetables. You can bread a pork chop. You can bread steak, country fried steak. You ever heard of it? And vegetables are also really good breaded and fried. What isn't good fried?
Are you looking for more product advice and wisdom from me?
Or me?
Or me?
Hit that subscribe button or head over to thedesirecompany.com for more classes, how-tos, and reviews.